Oh, hey, hi. Slight problem. My mic is still broken. So if it's really hard to understand what I'm saying in this video, it's because my mic is still broken. Obviously, everything is a little bit crazy right now, and I know there's so much more serious things going on in the world than sneaker unboxing. So I wanted to take a minute at the beginning of this video to say that this is obviously a very, very, very sad and hard time to see happen, but also a very empowering and potential to be an incredibly positive time. I really, really hope that what's going on right now can bring about some serious change, and I just wanted to take a minute to talk about that. I know it's way more important than anything else we're going to talk about in this video, but at the end of the day, I think if I can bring you guys 10 or 12 minutes of something fun to watch, that's also something important. So that being said, let's get going. Two sneaker unboxings for today. This is really, really exciting. I know what this one is. This one was overnight shipped and it says fragile, which means it's important. We will get to this in a moment because I don't know what this one is. And I mean, surprises are just more exciting. This one was sent over from Adidas, like real proper Adidas. So thank you, Adidas, for sending these over. I appreciate you, unless the shoe sucks. I'm just kidding, the shoe's not gonna suck. Adidas wouldn't send over bad shoes. Okay. These are the ZX2K boot. I don't think I've ever seen these. Yeah, I've 100% never seen these before. So this is a shoe called the ZX2K Boost, or ZX2K Boost if you live in Canada. I've lived in Canada 22 and a half years of my life, and I've never said Z. I've always said Z. I don't understand why Canadians say Z. I mean, pretty cool shoe. This is like a reworking of a older running shoe. I don't know the exact model name for it, except it looks very, very familiar. And then they put Boost all along the entire bottom. Like this stuff you see right here, this is Boost as well. This stuff really reminds me of, what was that terrible shoe that just had that like pantyhose fishnet legging stuff all over the midsole, and then they put out a Spider-Man colorway and they wanted everyone to wear them and they were just like really bad? That one sort of reminds me of that one. This is definitely something a little bit different from what I'd usually wear. It's a little bit outside of my regular realm of fashion, except they look freaking amazingly comfortable. I will definitely try them out. Not bad, not bad. I'm guessing these have released already, so if you guys are interested in grabbing a pair of these, go grab a pair of these. Adidas, thank you for sending these over. I appreciate you. Okay, unboxing number 2. It says fragile. It's not that fragile. This is one of the most expensive and one of the most sought after sneakers that I've ever unboxed on this channel. This is something I've wanted from the day it came out, and I waited too long, essentially. It could have been a $1,500 shoe if I had acted on it expeditiously, but instead it is now a $6,000 shoe depending on what size. I got these for $4,500, which is really just absolutely insane. This is absolutely 100% a giant grail of mine. This is, I don't really know what to say. I am incredibly excited. Incredibly excited. And it comes with bubble wrap. It comes with freaking bubble wrap. You know what we need to do. slightly underwhelming bubble wrap, except my friend Andy, who sent these over to me. Stay safe, love the NYC content. I will stay safe, thank you for loving the NYC content, Andy. Oh, I don't know if I'm mentally ready to open these. I can't believe that these are in my possession. This is not me picking up a pair in the store. These are in my possession. I'm gonna close my eyes. Oh, there's no paper already. Do these smell like beauty? These smell absolutely beautiful. So nice, so nice. Look at them. I haven't seen them yet, but I know how beautiful they look like. Watch as my eyes open and then I realize they're fakes or something. Oh my goodness, these are, look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Look at them. 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 Wow. Wow. I am in disbelief right now. These are in my hand, in my possession. These are absolutely freaking gorgeous. Wow. Are they worth $4,500? Probably not at all. In fact, definitely not at all. They're not worth $4,500. But is it sick to have them in hand? 100,000,000% yes. 1,000,000 absolutely bajillion% yes. Oh my goodness. There's one slight problem. One teensy teeny tiny little teensy bit of a problem. These aren't for me. You guys remember how a couple months ago I said I was going to put a pair of Dior Jordan 1s in a mystery box, and if I couldn't get the Dior Jordan 1s, I was going to get the Art Basel Jordan 1s? Well, I couldn't get the Dior Jordan 1s because they hadn't released, so I decided to get the Art Basel Jordan 1s, and here are the Art Basel Jordan 1s. Why am I talking so fast? I don't know. These are for me. These are for the mystery box. They got selected to get these, and absolutely incredible. I cannot wait to give them to them. It's all going to be happening on video. It's going to happen in tomorrow's video. I'm so excited. I really wanted to make a video about this first off because it's going to be so fun and it's going to be the best thing I've ever done in my life. And then also there's some goofs that like think, oh, there's no way you're putting these sneakers in the mystery box. You're scamming your viewers. You don't care about your audience. I can understand why you think that. It's sort of absurd for me to stick these in a mystery box, but not caring about my audience. I mean, my audience has built everything that I have, is responsible for everything that I've been able to achieve in my life, so I care to the moon and back about my audience. I cannot wait to do that. These shoes are absolutely 100% positively freaking gorgeous. Just such a beautiful pair. The rust pinks are also amazing as well. Wow. Igloo Jordan 1s. Talk about a sneaker unboxing. Talk about a freaking sneaker unboxing. Absolutely incredible. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit the like button. If you do want to get in on the June mystery box and have a chance to get a crazy pair of shoes, we're doing the Chicago Jordan 1s for June. There's a link down in the description. I'd highly suggest you go pick it up now. It's available from now until around June 15th, I believe. And on one closing note, going to some of the protests in New York over the last few days, one thing that people have been saying that has really resonated with me is there have been multiple chants of everyone against racism. And I don't know why that chant versus some of the others really resonated with me a lot more, except it did, and I just think that's a very powerful statement. So if you guys are still watching at this point in the video and you feel inclined to do so, if we could just get a bunch of positivity in the comment section and get a bunch of people dropping some everyone against racisms down in the comment section, I think that'd be really good. No, that doesn't solve the problem, but it adds a little bit of love into the world, and I think that's important as well. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Freaking igloos. Tomorrow's video. Don't miss it, because it's gonna be amazing. We're literally pulling up to a dude's house and giving him these shoes. It's gonna be insane.